Hungpung Haokok Thang Academy from Ukhrul District is set to participate in the upcoming State Thang Ta Championship in Imphal. 20 martial artists from the academy will take part in different categories. CM Chihanyo, coach of the team, has been training the martial artists at Gaiety Rock Memorial Hall, Dungrei, Hungpung since 2020. At present, he's coaching more than 40 students.
You see, Ukhrul District winner, state level 맞선 도발, Imphal. You see, Ukhrul District Haokok Thang Ta Academy na. You see, participate masaki ni si masak vai practice sal ka ba trainer. Hili osak le ina sadak le. You see, greu dak le, you see miham sida shat greu dak le.
Hoye under 14 year Dungrei ari Imphal state level.
Na state level le tang hoye practice le under 17 year ta
State level championship wibang practice tak lene.
Last December, Sports Minister Kiren Rijiju announced the inclusion of 4 indigenous sports, including Thang Ta. For the first time, Thang Ta martial arts will be featured at the Khelo India Youth Games 2021, which will be held at Panchkula in Haryana.